Pokémon Journeys has been a really incredible season so far. The creators have done a really amazing job to shake up the old formula of the anime and introduce new and fresh concepts to expand the world of Pokémon. Moreover, the risks taken by them have paid off really well. What started with Sun and Moon has now been perfected in Pokémon Journeys. And not only that, this season is also including a healthy dose of nostalgia along with all the new and exciting stuff. Hello and welcome to Underwisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about a certain scene that happens in the second opening of Pokémon Journeys. Yes, we are talking about Ash's Lucario. But before diving into Lucario, we first need to talk about Ash's team in this season, because that's becoming quite a strong force in its own. And not only that, this team comprises of some of the most beloved Pokémons in the entirety of the series. From the most popular ghost Pokemon Gengar to the most popular dragon-type Pokemon Dragonite. By the end of Pokemon Journeys, this team is definitely going to become one of the strongest that Ash has ever owned. After all, this season features the first official ghost-type Pokemon caught by Ash, and this is also the first time when Ash has caught a regional Pokemon in the form of Galarian Farfetch'd. But that's not all. Ash obtained Riolu as an egg in episode 21, and after it hatched, it has obtained a strong bond with Ash to the point where Pikachu of all people got jealous. Just imagine that for a moment. But jokes apart, Ash loves to train with Riolu because Riolu loves to fight. Riolu was also amazed by Korrina's Lucario. And now, after all this has happened, this extremely spoilery trailer has more or less confirmed that Riolu will eventually evolve to Lucario at some point in the series. I mean, let's be real. Lucario along with Pikachu and Charizard is one of the top 5 most popular Pokemon of all time. It's a fan favorite Pokemon that has incredible connection to Ash both in movies as well as the main series. So there was no doubt about this happening, but now it has been confirmed beyond a shadow of doubt after this appeared in the opening too. Now obviously this trailer shows a lot more stuff like Go's Raboot evolving into Syndrans, Go catching Heracross and Flygon, the reappearance of the Alola team, a fight with Eternatus and much more. This season has been a crazy ride so far, and because of its focus on nostalgia being implemented in a very good way, fans are still eagerly waiting for the return of none other than Greninja after its tease in the original Pokemon Journeys poster. Moreover, I have one question for all of you. Now we know that Mega Evolutions are still a thing in the world of Pokemon and they have not been forgotten. Plus Pikachu has already got a Gigantamax form, which will obviously take place again in the future. So, do you think Lucario will get a Mega Evolution in the future of the series? What are your thoughts on this regard? Please mention them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. So anyway, that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Underwisey and I'll see you soon in the next episode.